Happy Friday, guys. We're going to go live in the next sort of couple of minutes. Next couple of minutes, we'll start the stream. Just give me 2 minutes and we'll get started, baby. Hey guys, happy Friday. Hope we're all well and lit. It's Friday. Time really flies. Scary, man. These weeks just go over like this. Let's break things down because things have significantly shifted a little bit. We'll see whether it's a good thing or a bad thing. Right now, a little bit scary because we've seen quite a chunky pullback with Bitcoin. You know, we've dropped. Unfortunately, and that's why the title of the video, as I said, critical retest did not hold. So I'm going to show you this in 1 moment. Let me share my screen. Okay. All right, guys. So let's just pull Bitcoin up on a weekly a minute, right? Obviously, in this latest week, bear in mind today's Friday. So we got still Saturday and Sunday for the closure in terms of sessions for Bitcoin. Now, we've been on a bull run for the last sort of 2 sessions, 2 weeks, been trending to the upside. I remember how we had formed this bit of a W structure for Bitcoin. Here's our first bottom, all right? And then here's the second bottom area, sort of a W. See like that? Sort of down, up, down, up. Not the cleanest of by any means, but nevertheless, we did form that. And of course, you know, we broke above this resistance area here for Bitcoin. I want to show you something actually quite similar with in the FX market where we saw a W structure playing out because it's something that I capitalized on sort of through trading. That's look W bottom here. This is more clean. This one's really sexy, right? So 1 bottom, 2 bottom. So down, up, breakout retest. Now look how aggressive this retest was. And look at the wick that was produced. You know, big chunky wick of 100 pips thereabouts. This was AUD USD. Okay, big chunky wick. I just want to show you an example of a W structure. That's why I'm showing you this on the FX side of things. We had that retest and then we extended to the upside. But look what happened on this first retest here. We formed what people might have thought, oh, wait, we could be reversing here. But no, it's just a retest, okay? And then again, we had a bit of volatility. Now, a lot of this volatility is... It's traps, right? We see a lot of these traps in the market where, you know, these big, I was talking about it today, right? Because it happened to me in one of my FX trades this morning where I was taken out by a few pips before then it went bam in my direction. You buggers, you. When I was saying buggers, I'm talking about the big boys, okay? Those little cocaine sniffing beeps, right? Those guys in the banks. I know what you boys do, you dirty buggers. I've seen all of you. I worked in that industry, you nasty creatures. So anyway, what these guys do is they take you out, right? They take out the retail market. They know where they say, okay, say for example here, right? Everyone's long, all right? Well, yes, we're going long because we've broken now above this key area of resistance. We know 46K, 45K is resistance. Yes, we've broken above. So everyone, like a lot of the retail guys were like, buying, buying, buying. Yes, we've broken a resistance. And then look what happens. We get this retest, and then obviously we push quite aggressively below before we then push to the upside. So what might happen here, as I say, we come all the way to the downside. We might produce a big wick. That may happen next week as well. You know, like I just showed you there with AUD, but next week we may do that as well. Wick below, it's all the big institutional guys trying to wipe all us buggers out, and then we rip it to the upside. We rip it in a direction that we were expecting, but we don't have as much buying power as these dirty thieves. They make me so angry. But it's just part of the game, you know, it's annoying, but that's what we have to deal with. So that's what I think what's going on here with Bitcoin at the moment, okay? We're pushing to the upside, and now we're getting this retest. We're going to have a little bit of consolidation here before we extend to the upside, okay? If you look on a daily, I did say, right, well, actually, let me just show you the 4 hour. I did say how we had all this consolidation, and it looks like, I remember I called it in that previous stream, a cat's tail. So, you know, how the cat's tail points up and then it curls round like that, the end of it, and then we come all the way back down, you see? So I said that similar price action there, similar price action here, and it's exactly what we've seen now, right? So keep an eye. We've broken, obviously, a key trend line, near-term trend line, not massive, but it's been in place since the 13th of March. We've broken that now, look. So what could happen here is we end up faking below that, okay? We fake out, so a false breakout of that support. We know there's big demand here. This has to hold for Bitcoin, otherwise we're screwed, okay? When I say we're screwed, we could end up coming all the way down. We'll probably clear this 42.5 area and we'll come all the way down, okay? We'll come and retest like we did here when we broke out retest. We'll come all the way down to sub 40K, which would be quite devastating. It'll be a big blow for this bull action at the moment. But what I expect is a little bit of this, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just show you. I expect maybe we either do this and then we push up, right? Okay, and that would have been a false breakout, a fake out, whatever you want to call it. Or we do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, consolidate range, and then we start breaking out to the upside and pushing back to the north. That's the sort of thing that I'm expecting. I don't expect this, by the way. This is not what I'm expecting, okay? This is not what I'm expecting, all right? Just as I showed you there with AUD, let me just pull it up, AUD. Again, look, this was the fake out. Look on a weekly. Breakout, retest. And then if you look on a lower time frame on a daily, you see that huge push below before then extending to the upside, right? And obviously this is consolidating a little bit at the moment. So anyway, I'm just showing you that as an example there. Just obviously that's FX, but I just want to show you how that relates, that similar price action, what we're observing with Bitcoin. Okay, so I am expecting us to push up to the upside. Don't worry about this. This is just those dirty buggers trying to catch us off guard. I'm going to find you. I know where you live. So yeah, okay. Let's just see what's going on at the moment on the 4 hour of Bitcoin anyway. All right, yeah, so we're going to come up for that retest. What's going on in the hourly? Is there any opportunities here for us to trade? Not really at the moment. So just leave that price action be for now. If we go over to Ethereum, I did note in my last stream, I wanted to see it firstly. You see how I got these arrows marked up? So remember, I wanted to see it coming right up to top here at 3,500, just shy of that. We didn't quite come all the way up, did we? Look, fell short of that and we just narrowed. But then look at that. I haven't even adjusted these arrows. You go look at the last stream. What did I say about this coming down? And look where it's come down to, that zone. Magnificente. So this is the area, obviously, I want to see the price bouncing. Hopefully with Bitcoin, in tandem with Bitcoin, these sort of key areas now hold, okay? Those little buggers have taken us out, fine, but now we extend to the upside, okay? So keep an eye. There could be a lot of volatility over next sort of Saturday, Sunday, and maybe even next week before we push to the upside, okay? We could have a bit of a trend line here anyway. Look, for Ethereum, ETH, USDT. This is versus US dollar. So yeah, keep an eye on this. This scenario is still playing out. What are we up today on Ethereum? We're up just 0.3%. Okay. nothing really there in terms of trade ideas at the moment on that. Obviously, as I say, I wanted to see that firstly coming up to here, but it's fine. We've still come down to that buying area that I was looking for. But yeah, nothing in terms of trade idea at the moment. XRP, by the way, okay, we've pulled right back now. We've pulled right back. We've come for a big retest now of this. So remember we had those longs. We more or less hit targets there, coming up to sort of 91.55, and obviously pulled back, ran into big supply here. So we can put a big area of supply there. We know that. Look left with me, guys. You can see supply. Let's support. Then we broke through rejection, supply, support, support, support. You can drag this all the way across. You'll see that how significant it's all the way. Oh, damn, girl. Go all the way along there. Okay, so what's going to happen here with XRP? Well, let's keep an eye out because we could get an opportunity here. Remember, let's keep our eyes peeled. Okay, let's keep our eyes peeled. We're going to fill this wick to the downside. Look at this wick here of yesterday's candlestick. So we're probably going to want to come down here. Probably going to want to. Got a bit of a flag here. Look, maybe we can just take a little trade here, actually. What are we? We're flat today, so we probably are going to come to the downside. Let's trade this together, babes. All right, shorts. My little shorts. My little shorts. Come all the way here. I expect, obviously, this wick to be filled, firstly. But then, one sec. Bear with me, $1. Just $1, guys, please, and $1. Okay, so we're going to come down and fill this wick anyway. That's the first target area. From shorts from current area now. Okay, shorts from the current area. From here. But I'm just trying to see. That'll just, obviously, that's only a risk reward of 1.2s. But it could be a quick one for us. So that's the first one. But I'm just thinking... sorry, just while I'm speaking. I'm thinking while I'm speaking. Whether we come and retest this, fine. We're going to do that at the bare minimum. I know that. Okay, it's not guaranteed, but I feel like we are. But I just wonder if there's a risk that we come back into this triangular structure before we extend to the north. It's possible. But anyway, this is the bare minimum for me. So here, hit targets here. Let's make some monies. And then we push to the upside. Go for another challenge of this. We'll probably break it down this time. All right, we've seen on the weekly for XRP, things have been looking very, very nice. You know, breaking out a flag, breaking out a pennant. We're retesting now. Look, big breakout here. This is the retest on the weekly. And then we've got opportunity to really push to the upside. Come on. And push to the north, right? So that's XRP. So near-term short position there, by the way, guys, for XRP. Expect that to really just come down, as I say, fill this wick. Look out for that. Okay, shorts here, XRP. I like that a lot. There's a flag here, by the way, yesterday. You see how we smashed that to the downside. And here's another one. So just potentially don't miss out that. Don't take this as trade advice. It's just me and myself taking this trade. Okay, so what else we got going on? Let's just go back to Bitcoin a minute. Looks like we're breaking out a bit of flag here, potentially on the 1 hour. It's possible. Hoping it's not a fake out, but probably maybe take one more little dive to the south. What I'm going to do as well, this is where I like Fibonacci's. Let's mark, I'm just speaking out loud here. So if you have anything to say, do not hesitate. I'm just going to mark up a fib. You see from this latest bull run, so this swing low to this swing high. And look where we've caught support so far. See, I do find significance in Fibonacci's, you know, when we've sort of been trending, whether to the upside or to the downside. So finding those reversals, the pullbacks, and when those pullbacks are going to be bought, the dips. So, yeah, keep an eye on this anyway. If that 38.2% Fibonacci doesn't hold, then obviously then you look at the 50% Fib and the 61.8%. These are the three that proved significant for me. So, yeah. Maybe we do come and hit this, go and really challenge this 38.2% Fib. Looks like we probably are, to be fair, given this flag structure down here and see what we do there. Obviously, we'll fill the wick of yesterday. Oh, wait, sorry. That's not of yesterday, of today. That 4-hour wick. Keep an eye on this. Sort of toppling out here, toppling over. Yeah, look. Looks like it's going to come all the way back down. What's the trade on this? Let's put on the 1 hour. Hey, what's wrong with you? You're looking kind of down to me. All right, so let's go for this 38 points. We're just ahead of that, these lows. Okay, come back down, challenge these lows. Was that of today? It is of today, yeah. Earlier hours. So potential here for Bitcoin. And then maybe we just bottom out down here at this level. You know, there or thereabouts. Maybe double bottom. But let's see. Let's see. It does look like we do have a bit of a flag there. Keep an eye. Ethereum. Okay, nothing to say. DOT. By the way, guys, look, we fell a little bit short of my near-term target, my quick one into $25. Obviously, we were really picking up some pace to the upside after this flag breakout for DOT. Don't hesitate to load up on DOT. You know, Polkadot. Great technology. I'm doing another project review, by the way, on Sunday, so make sure you check it out. It's going up on this channel, Sunday evening, Uniswap, okay? Don't sleep on Uniswap. Great bit of technology. It's a decentralized exchange. I'm fully breaking it down anyway. Don't sleep on it. I'll put out a price prediction on that as well on Sunday. Link, what's happening? Oh, Link, babes. What's happening on the daily? I don't know. We got these flags across the board, potentially. Another flag there. I don't know. We're going to see. Time will tell. Keep an eye on that XRP. Something else that's running quite well at the moment, I've still got longs in, is this. ETH BTC. Okay, still pushing to the upside after that pennant breakout here. It's a very simple pennant. And obviously we're anticipating that breakout, and obviously so has it been seen. I'm expecting that to still push to the upside. Oh, what's going on here? So we're running in profit there and expecting that to just continue to push north. Okay. What else is going on? What else is happening? Nothing really else. It's quite quiet on the news flow side of things. I haven't seen anything overly sexy to speak about of late. Look, by the way, I remember we spoke about this weeks ago. Waves. Okay, waves. I put something up on Instagram about this a little while ago, and look how much we've rallied. It's been incredible. Do check out Waves as well, okay? You can check out the project review. But look, we broke out this big flag structure extending to the upside, pushing to the north. And look, we're up like 300% there for Waves. Massively outperforming its peers. Now, do check it out. I don't know if I don't think I've done a project review on this, but I put up a little something on Instagram Reels a few weeks back. So do check it out and keep Waves in your head, because it's got a lot of potential, upside potential, Waves. Other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. It's just a quick one today. Stay lit, stay blessed, have a good weekend.